Amelia. Jack, if I said were, had, and did, what comes to mind?
Sounds like my high school report card. Mistakes were made, he had potential, but he did not try.
Fair. But these are actually auxiliary verbs, the ultimate linguistic chameleons. Take were. It's not just the past tense of are. It's the king of the subjunctive mood, the realm of pure fantasy.
Fantasy? Like, if I were a billionaire, I'd buy an island?
Exactly. You use were for hypotheticals, even for one person, because it flags to the listener, hey, this isn't reality.
Brilliant. Now, what about had? It's a literal time machine. It gives us the past perfect tense.
Break that down.
If I say, when I arrived, Amelia left, we're hanging out. But if I say, when I arrived, Amelia had left,
I'm already gone. Had pushes an action further back in time, setting the stage before something else happened.
And finally, did. It's the ultimate enforcer. We use it for emphasis. Instead of, I like coffee, you say, I did drink coffee, to settle an argument.
It's English's favorite punctuation mark in disguise.